Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Lexus ES330 headlight bulb. First, make sure your car is completely off and the engine has cooled down. You'll need a new H7 headlight bulb and a flathead screwdriver for this simple task. This easy method helps you replace the bulb without the hassle of removing the entire bumper, saving you time and effort. Let's get started with the preparation steps. To access the headlight bulb, begin by turning your steering wheel fully towards the side you're working on. This creates enough space to reach behind the headlight. Next, locate and carefully remove the two plastic clips holding the fender liner in place. A flathead screwdriver can help gently pry these out. Once the clips are removed, pull back the fender liner to reveal the headlight assembly. This gives you clear access to the bulb housing. Now that you have access, twist the bulb housing counterclockwise to unlock it from the headlight assembly. Gently pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new H7 bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the base and carefully insert the new bulb into the socket. Ensure it's seated firmly and correctly before proceeding to the next step. To finish up, twist the new bulb housing clockwise until it locks securely into place. Double-check that it's snug to prevent any moisture from entering. Then, push the fender liner back into its original position and reinsert the two plastic clips you removed earlier. Test your new headlight to ensure it's working perfectly. And hey, if you're looking for ways to simplify your daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.